Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 5008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, there is tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control. There's also some great safety features including blind spot detection, speed limit recognition and also lane departure warning. So let's have a look around. Seven-seater vehicle that comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine. This gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. Car's done under 12,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.